Hey there, what's up YouTube? It's Ian here coming at you again with another tutorial video. Now I know it's been a bit of a minute, but you don't want to rush perfection, and I was really flip-flopping and deciding on what I wanted my next tutorial video to be, and then I figured, why not showcase my southern heritage? I'm from South Carolina, and what better way to do that with something that every southerner knows how to do properly, which is, of course, how to fry chicken. And I know a lot of you up in the north and over in the godless west, as we call it, don't exactly know what you're doing with fried chicken, so I thought I'd share my knowledge, share my expertise, and that way we can just get some more good, proper southern fried chicken out in the world, because that's all anybody wants. That's all anybody wants. So let's get going with it. Right here I did a little bit of pre-pro, as you can see, as I am always want to do. I'm nothing if not professional. So you're going to want to start with your unseasoned chicken drumstick. A lot of the flavor is going to come through in the frying process, so you don't want to overload it with spices and fancy flavors and stuff like that. It's just raw, unseasoned chicken. That's all you need. And of course, we're going to go with our flour dredge right here. Get that going, really get it in there. Get it flour, right, like that. And then, of course, you're going to want an egg wash, so just go right in on that. And that's gonna help with a lot of that flavor that I was talking about coming through in the cook. You want to get it nice and washed with the egg. Perfect. And of course, finally, you're going to finish it off with breadcrumbs. That's going to give it that good crunch. That's the best part, the skin, the crunch. And so you've got the chicken all done up properly, just like that. And you're going to bring it over to your pot, which you have lightly coated in, of course, nothing but the finest olive oil. You're going to get that right there. And then you're going to turn your burner on. That's right. You do want it on high because it is a high temperature cook, but you want to turn it on after you get the chicken in because it's going to be a slow frying process, and that's going to really do it up nicely. So we're going to wait for that to cook for just a little bit, and I'll be right back. Alright everybody, it's been a few minutes, and if you listen closely, you hear that sizzling sound. It sounds like our fried chicken is done, so why don't we take a look. Oh, yes. Gorgeous. Alright, now this is a little hot, so let's get it off of the burner, and that's perfectly done right there. Look at that. Beautiful, proper southern fried chicken. Look at the crispness, the crunch. That's perfect. And let's give it a shot. And that's how you do it right there, folks. Come on back to my channel for more tutorial videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You guys know the deal by now. Feel free to check out any of our other stuff. And, oh, shit.